Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the PIMAG Pro-Grade Car Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get the box open here, first you'll find your ceramic sealer. Again, meant to remove scratches and swirls here. It's going to be about 8.4 ounces. And then of course it will come with a simple sponge that you're going to be utilizing to kind of rub this in. So just make sure you follow the directions here. I don't know that there are any specific laid out other than you're just going to kind of put a little bit on this, rub it in. Put a little bit more on if needed, rub it in. So we'll go ahead and test this out on one of my cars. All right, so I don't know how well you can see this stuff. There's a couple different scratches here that I'm going to try and get out and test this out, and we'll see how it goes. So first thing I'm going to do is just kind of rinse it off, clean the area a little bit. So we're going to kind of back out so you see it. Just going to turn on the hose, get it a little bit clean. Obviously, if you take it to a car wash or something like that, it might be better, but it's kind of rainy around these parts lately, so trying my best to kind of do this. Just a good example of what it would be like anyway. So I'm just going to get it nice and cleaned up. Kind of clean up most of the quarter panel here area. So there's a lot of bug stuff and everything. I'm not worried about that. I'm just worried about the scratches that are over here, most specifically. So a couple different areas. All right, so as mentioned, we're just going to kind of get this juice going on here. And we're just going to rub it in to the spaces where there's issues. Just keep rubbing it in. Put a little bit extra because there's a ton of this, so I'm not going to be cheap about this. I want to make sure I use as much as I think is needed to get this done. I'm just going to rinse this sponge off after the fact, but I just want to show you kind of the process. All right, and so that should be all that we're really looking to do. We'll go ahead and clean it off. And I'm going to tell you that you can see kind of where one is still, but it did remove it pretty good. There's still some remnant of it, but you know, that's why we're just going to do this over and over and over again, so until it's completely gone. So that's kind of one of the spaces. You can kind of still see it, but it's definitely improved. So we're just going to do it again and again, and we'll come back in a moment. All right, so once again, the scratch was kind of right in here, and I'm really impressed. Again, I would do this like maybe 2 to 3 times at least to try and remove this stuff. But if you do a pretty good job, it disappears more and more each time I do it. So super impressed with this. Definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.